So if some function is divided by another one, we get some function. Okay. So you can see the product and quotient are there, right? Here y is the product. How product? You can see e to the power x multiplied with sine x multiplied with x plus 1 whole square, and product and quotient of a number of functions, right? This product and quotient for what? For number of functions. So you can see the functions over here are e, x, sine x, x plus 1 whole square, 2x plus 1 whole cube, x power 5, right? To solve such questions, what we will do? We simply take the logarithm, right? So taking log in both the sides, right? When we take the log, take log, then the LHS will be equal to log of y, and into the RHS we have log of our given function, that is e power x sine x, then x plus 1 whole square, right, divided by 2x plus 1 whole cube multiplied by x power 5, both these functions into the denominator, right? So when you take the log, just using the property of logs, we can proceed further. What are the property of logs? When two logarithms are multiplied, then we can say log of ex plus log of sin x plus log of x plus 1 whole square, right? And the functions into the denominator can be subtracted, right? So when we take the log of this entire function, the numerator will be all the functions will be coming into the addition, and the denominator will be coming in as a subtraction of the log. So just keep log y as it is into the LHS, and into the RHS we have log of e power x exponent of x, then you can see this multiply, so that's why during the log it will be added, then log of sin x, right, then plus log of x plus 1 whole square log of x plus 1 whole square, right, and the functions which are into the denominator, all those are subtracted, then we can write minus log of 2x plus 1 whole cube, then x to power 5 is also into the denominator, so that will also be subtracted, minus log of x power 5. So here you can see log of e power x. What is the value of log of e power x? The exponent will be coming as the prefix. So x and log of e will be equal to e when the base will be e, right? So we can write, just let me write, just multiply it with 1. I hope you got it. When x will be coming into the prefix, log of e base e will be 1, right? So log of e base e basically ln. So just log of sin x. What is the value of log of sin x, right? Log of sin x could not be directly, and even if you just write it, right, log of sin x, you can just keep it as it is, log of sin x. Then log of x plus 1 whole square can be further broken as 2 times log of x plus 1. Why? Because exponent will be coming over here into the prefix. Now, the second and the last two terms can be written as, here these three, the exponent. Let me highlight it. Here this exponent is 3, here it was 2, and here it was x. So all these are coming into the prefix. You can see x, then for 2 this 2 is coming over here, right? And then you can see the third term is minus log of 2x plus 1 whole cube, which can be written as minus 3 times log of 2x plus 1, right? 2x plus 1. Let me zoom a little, it will help. I think it's visible better. Right. So 3 times log of 2x plus 1, which will be for this function, and in the last minus log of x power 5 can be written as minus 5 times log of x, right? So into the LHS we have log of y. Log of y is already there, right? Now what we will do, at reaching this point, we just differentiate it, right? So at reaching this point, just take d by dx, right, of LHS, and d by dx of RHS for all the terms, into this bracket, right? So you know d by dx of log y will not happen, right? So what we will do, we will simply differentiate it with respect to y, and since this dy is inserted over here, so that's why we can multiply dy over here, and this dx is already present over there, so we'll write dx, right? So this will be happening with the LHS, and into the RHS we have let us expand it, right? Let us expand it, d by dx of what, x, plus d by dx of log of sin x, right? D by dx of log of sin x. So again, being implicit, this will not happen. You need to differentiate log of sin x with respect to d of sin x. Then again another sin x will be coming. So do you want me to just write it into this step, or should I take it into the next step? If you understand it, let me write it over here so that it will be little earlier, okay? So or maybe I can do it into the next step rather than being confusing. It will be confusing. Okay, just let me write it. So we just did this, we did this. Now 2 of log of x plus 1. So we can write plus 2 times, because constant will be coming out, d by dx of log of x plus 1, right? This will complete. Now minus 3 times log of 2x plus 1. So this will be minus 3 times d by dx of log of 2x plus 1, right? So in this way this will also complete. Now this is only left minus 5 log x. So what we will do, we will just write minus 5 times d by dx of log x. So you can see all these functions are need to be differentiated, but all these need to be differentiated with respect to x. You can see dx, 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 dx. But the functions which are available to us except this x, nothing is x. This should be x, that is not. This should be x, that is not. This should be x, that is not. Let me take a different color so that it will be easy. So all these functions should be into the x form, right? Which is not. So we will converting all these functions into the form of x. How? Let us see. From this step, we can see that into the LHS, d by dy of log y will be nothing but 1 by y. So into the LHS, we have 1 by y into dy by dx into dy by dx. That is the LHS, right? And equal to, this is equal to, into the RHS, you can see d by dx of x is what? D by dx of x is nothing but 1. For this, it's 1, right? And for the second term, d by dx of log of sine x, right? Then you can see this can be differentiated with respect to sine x, d by d of sine x of log of sine x, right? Right? Multiplied with d by dx of sine x. You got it? That means this function, let me take a different paper. So from here we can see, just let me write this step again, because due to sort of paper we need to. D by dy of log y will be nothing but 1 by y into, we are left with this dy by dx. So just write it, dy by dx. This is equal to, into the RHS. Into the RHS, we have d by dx of x. So d by dx of x is nothing but 1 for this one, plus d by dx differentiation with respect to x for log of sine x. So this will not happen. We can differentiate log of sine x with respect to sine x only. So that's why sine x is inserted into the denominator, d of sine x. And for this, it need to be compensated. So that's why we need to multiply d of sine x into the numerator, so that this denominator and this numerator will be cancelled out and d of x will be left, right? So in this way, we have just written for this d by dx of log of sine x will be like this, right? Now going to the next step. For the third term, d by dx of log of x plus 1, in the similar fashion, d by dx of d by differentiation of log of x plus 1. So 2 is already there, you can see this 2, right? D by dx of log of x plus 1. So log of x plus 1 can only be differentiated with respect to x plus 1, and since x plus 1 is inserted, we need to write d of x plus 1 into the numerator also, right? Into the numerator also, and we have into the denominator the dy which is left, right? Hi Parash. And in this way we did for the third term of RHS. Now the last term which is left, right, is, no, two terms are left, minus 3 times d by dx of log of 2x plus 1. So this can be written as minus 3 times d by log of 2x plus 1 need to be differentiated. So this need to be differentiated with respect to d of 2x plus 1 only, and that's why this d of 2x plus 1 is inserted into the numerator also, so that this and this will be cancelled out, right? And into the denominator we have d of x. So now at this step this can be easily differentiated, right? Because a function of x need to be differentiated with respect to x, right? Now, yeah, Paras, you can put up your question into the chat. I'm looking. Now, going to the this term, last term, minus 5 times d by dx of log x. So this will be minus 5 times log x need to be differentiated, right? Log x need to be differentiated, but this can be differentiated with respect to log x only. So d by dx of log x can be simply, so already it is into the format of x, so we can directly put for log x it's 1 by x, right? It's 1 by x. So instead of this it's already there into that form, so it will be 1 by x, because d by dx of log x is 1 by x, right? So we are having this equation, these values with us, right? These values with us. Now let us solve to the next step, right? I think it's visible. Yeah, perfectly fine. Now into the LHS we have dy by dx, and this y which is already there into the denominator of LHS will be coming into the RHS, and we have into the bracket this one, right? So let me change the pen. So this one plus d by differentiation of log of sin x with respect to sin x. So log of anything will be how much? Log of sin x will be how much? It will be 1 by sin x. Log of x is 1, differentiation of this differentiation with respect to x of log x is 1 by x. So for log of sin x it is 1 by sin x. Am I wrong? Right. I am right. Thank you. Now we have left with d by sin, d differentiation of sin x with respect to x. So you can see this. So what is differentiation of sin x with respect to x? Of course, cos x. So cos x will be here. So in this way, we have taken this term, and this term, right? Now we are left with this one, right? So d by dx plus 1 of x plus 1 will be like this, plus 2 times log of any function, differentiation with respect to same can be written as 1 by that function. So it will be minus 2 plus 2 into 1 by x plus 1, because log of x plus 1 need to be differentiated with respect to x plus 1. So that's why it's 1 by x plus 1. You got it? Now in this way this term is also taken care, this term. Now the next term, you can see this is multiplied with dx plus 1 with respect to, here it will be not dy, it will be dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x. So for x, d by dx of x for this term will be nothing but 1, and for a constant it's 0. So 1 will be multiplied with this, and in this way this portion is also taken care. Now the brown, this one, the second 1 2 3, we can see the fourth term. The fourth term of the RHS is minus 3 times, you can write it minus 3 times differentiation of log of 2x plus 1 with respect to 2x plus 1. So it will be, as we did earlier, it is 1 by 2x plus 1, right? Multiplied with d by dx of 2x plus 1. So differentiation of 2x, 2 will be coming as out of the out of the differentiation, and x dx by dx will be 1, and for the other term it's 0. So in this way we have taken care for all this, right? Now the last term is left, this one, minus 5 into 1 by x. So this is as it is, right? Just write minus 5 by x, minus 5 by x, right? Now we are having dy by dx equal to y times 1 plus 1 by sin x into cos. So we can write it, let me close it. The last step, dy by dx can be written as y times inside the bracket 1 plus cos x by sin x is how much? Cos x by sin x is, sin by cos is tan. So cos by sin is nothing but cot. It's cot x, right? This will be cot x, right? This is cot x, cos x by sin x, plus 2 by x plus 1. So right, plus 2 by x plus 1, this term. Then again the third term, this one, minus 3 into 2. So it will be coming as minus 3 into 2 is 6 by 2x plus 1, right? And the last term is minus 5 by x, and the bracket is closing over here, right? So we can say that from this point we can say that dy by dx is equal to y times, what is y? Y is nothing but the same function which was asked into the question, e power x exponent of x into sine of x, which we have taken. This was the question, which is again I am writing it because into the answer after differentiation which we are having into x plus 1 whole square, right, divided by 2x plus 1 whole cube, 2x plus 1 whole cube, right, into x power 5. So this will be the value of y, this is the value of y multiplied with the last portion, this one which we have differentiated. So that is equal to 1 plus cot x plus 2 by x plus 1 minus 6 by 2x plus 1 minus the last one minus 5 by x. So in this way we have differentiated the value, the value of y was, which I asked into the question, that e power x, this marked in blue, this was the question. We have to we have been asked to differentiate dy by dx, y with respect to x, and we get the answer dy by dx is equal to, the y is again coming this one, y multiplied with this value 1 plus cot x plus 2 by x plus 1 minus 6 by 2x plus 1 minus 5 by x, right students? So in this way we have differentiated dy by dx and we got this answer, this is our answer, right? This is our answer. So in this way we have solved this question. So if you find it useful, you can be connected And thank you, Paras, for watching and putting up your quiz. And thank you so much for watching, students. Take care. Bye bye. Happy learning. See you. Take care.